Hey family, hey family, hey family. So I just came out in the middle of the day. Of course, it's been 100 degrees or 100, close, a little over 100 degrees. Y'all, it's hot out here. Look at my garden. The heat wave ain't no joke. Look at the watermelons, y'all. The heat wave ain't no joke, y'all. Period. My whole little bed over there like it's dying. It ain't no joke. No joke. Cucumbers. Just look at it. Everything look dead. It's just too hot out here. So I'm finna order some more shade. I'm finna start moving stuff around. Look, tomatoes on the ground, y'all. Done fell off the tomato plant. Look at the pepper plant, y'all. Now this stuff has been getting watered. So it's not that it needs water. It's the heat. The heat waves ain't nothing to play with. Look at all them peppers on there, y'all. This heat is stressing the plants out. Stressing the plants out. So what I'm going to do is kind of rearrange everything. Get some shade on them. Or something. I'm going to figure out something. And of course, I'm going to let you guys know. Just look at everything. Potatoes, I'm probably finna pull potatoes probably this weekend or early next week. Now my berry section is looking good. And they in the heat too. The trees have had it, y'all. They have had it. They is running from the sun. You know how the trees turn towards the sun? All my trees are running away from the sun. It's so damn hot. I said the trees are probably up my silica on the trees. Just look at them. They just look terrible. And of course, everything been watered. These heat waves ain't nothing to play with. Nothing to play with, y'all. And it's only gonna get worse. Only gonna get worse. I just want to tap in with y'all right quick. Let y'all know. Y'all ain't the only ones going through it. Look at that. And I need to get out here and harvest. Look, peppers on the ground. Sunburn. I got some banana peppers off yesterday. Now the candy cane pepper is standing up like it ain't missed a beat. The sun finally shading over behind the little forest. And this is the reason why I put everything right here. So it'll get that morning sun. And as the day progresses, it'll go over behind my house. See all those trees? It's blocking my afternoon sun to get them a break. That's the reason why I put everything here this year. But them morning hours, Tetris. I'm going to take all my tomatoes off and just sit them in the house. But yep, I just wanted to show y'all the heat wave ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. Look, even getting sunburn on the grapefruit. Ain't no joke, y'all. Okay, let me get out here and see. Well, ain't nothing I can do. Like I said, I'm gonna get some shade or something to try to cover everything up. I got some 30% shade that I got from Amazon some months ago, just in case I needed it. I think I'm just going to put everything together on this side and throw it over. When it's time to water, roll it back. When I'm finished, put it back on there. Because I got to get out here and, I can't have my babies like this. Then look at this pepper tree. It's standing up. No problem. Just some can take it, some can't. I said I'm going to up my silica that I put in when I water, because some of them look a little resistant to all the heat, and some of them having a hard time, as you can see. Okay, that's going to be the end of this little clip, y'all. I will see you lovely people in the next video. Y'all stay blessed. Peace.